In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the flash warning trend on Instagram. Okay, so what you need to do to be able to do this is tap on the magnifying glass next to the home button there on the left hand side at the bottom. Tap on that, and once you're on the discover tab, you want to go ahead and search for a specific account. So you'll be on this page, tap on accounts, and then you want to search for this account right here. It's Njiva_. Go ahead and tap on that person, and then what you will need to do is you will need to request to follow this person because they have a private account, but they pretty much accept everybody. So once you're following this specific account, you want to go to the effects option on their page, which is in the middle underneath the story highlights, and you'll have two options for the flash warning filter. I'm going to go ahead and tap on the second one, and it will show you what the filter does. It basically has a little man, it flashes, and there'll be some music playing in the background. I have it on mute for copyright reasons. So what you can do from this page is you can go ahead and tap on that little download button to add it to your camera to reference it later, or you can go ahead and try it from this screen. And then once you've recorded your video on Instagram, you can go ahead and use it on any other social media that you would like. So that is how you do the flash warning trend on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.